Welcome to Research Rocks. In this video, we will see how to run speech recognition recipe using SpeechBrain. SpeechBrain are providing us pre-trained model. So how you execute the pre-trained model in SpeechBrain recipe? It's very simple tips and tricks. So how to do it? Let's start as a demonstration. Before start the demonstration, please subscribe our YouTube channel Research Rock. So simply I open here my Anaconda Navigator. Using this Anaconda Navigator, I can very easily explain to you how you execute exactly. So I already doing this code and all process. So here it's only 5-line code. First of all, you just install SpeechBrain packages and transformer packages in your local computer system. No need to GPU. This code is executable only in CPU. And here I just simply import some packages here, like how you execute SpeechBrain pre-trained model, encoder, decoder, ASR, speaker recognition and separation point of view. Just I run this one also. So it's very simple. Here I call it here ASR model, and this is a pre-trained model URL. If you are copy this link and put it here in the Google, so Google are providing you this particular page URL, and this URL are explaining you this repository provided you all necessary tools, performance, automatic speech recognition, end-to-end system pre-trained on LibreSpeech. Here some of the explanations also available, and they are providing this code but not fully. So I modify some of things and I execute this code. Again, I just simply download this model. I already download this model. This model size around less than 200 MB only, not more than that. So you can very easily download this model if your internet speed is high. So just less than 1 minute, very easily download 200 MB. So look at this here. In this particular WAV file, some of the text are available here. The bridge canal should on the smooth prank. So this particular voice I am generating, and after receiving the voice, our speaker recognition are producing this voice also here. So I can execute here, and now I play this voice here.
The birch canoe slid on the smooth planks.
So this is a sentence to readable here in this particular waveform. So it's very simple process to execute speech recognition recipe on SpeechBrain. If you really like this video, so please subscribe our YouTube channel Research Rocks and hit the bell icon. Till then, Jai Hind, Vande Mataram.